Where do you think Restoration Hardware makes its furniture? China.
China. China.
China.
China. China. China.
China. China.
China. China. China.
Here's a secret. Those high-end designer pieces you see in the United States stores and all over social media, many are manufactured in China. That means you can find the same quality directly on Alibaba without the markup. If you want your bathroom to smell like the most sexy man just took a shower, no, but if you want your bathroom to smell hella good, I recommend Laundry Day. Look how pretty this is. How you can see the color come through. Okay guys, we are gonna do a little shopping today. And of course, some home renovations. So I'm at Eclectic House. These are cute. I'm always down to look at barware, but I want it to be like super unique because my mini bar is kind of small, so I can only handle so many items. You always know when you hit a boost that you're gonna like. Look at this. $250. Look at this. Antique bed warmer. That's how they used to warm the beds. Look at the lederhosen. Oh, so cute. Just a couple of essentials.
Hi, how you doing?
Laundry day. Look how cute. Look how pretty these are. They have moons, pumpkins. If you would ask me like 9 to 10 years ago, all I would have cared about is luxury, Chanel, Hermes, Louis, SLGs, belts, vintage jewelry, handbags, scarves, designer sunglasses. Now I'm totally over like decking myself out in luxury. I'd much rather spend it on my home, the hardscapes, the architecture, property, furniture, decor. Now, I don't like clutter. I don't like a lot of like visual noise, but I do like quality pieces in my home. So I went to the thrift store, right? And I was like, everything kind of looked the same. You know when you go to a thrift store and you're like, you've seen it all before and every booth is the same little vibe? But I didn't want to overspend because right now, my business is not doing that great. Like I don't even cash my paychecks because you know, it's our family business. So I haven't cashed my paychecks in 4 weeks. So like that is just like a snapshot of what my finances look like. So I didn't want to spend like more than $100 today. I got were these two sconces. And it says on the back, 100% brass, made in India. And I thought these were cute, right? Just picture this on the wall, look. Just like a little vibe, you know? So I got two of these, and these were $34. If you want your bathroom to smell like the most sexy man just took a shower, no, but if you want your bathroom to smell hella good, I recommend Laundry Day by Bath & Body Works. These smell so good. Like it smells so good. And I'm not into fresheners. I'm not into a lot of things that have a lot of smells, but I keep going back to this. And when I buy other flavors, it's just so syrupy and sweet. This is like a fresh, clean, barely there scent, but it's still there, you know? So I recommend Laundry Day from Bath & Body Works. I forget how much these cost, maybe like $4. Another thing which I love from Bath & Body Works, they have like really nice smelling detergent. And this one is called Cozy Cashmere. Oh my God, it smells so good, you guys. Now, if you're a member, you can get this for $10, but since I'm not a member, it's 20 bucks. I recommend this one. All right. Now, I'm gonna show you what I got for the bar, but let's go to the other side of the house. Figure we will just add some dishes, a couple other items, and see what it looks like. Stemless wine glasses, and I like these because they have the gold bottoms. And I did do a search on Amazon because you know Anthropologie housewares can be overpriced. They're the same on Amazon, so then I figured, okay, it's a good deal. I think they were $28 for 2. And so these are the little collection that I got. So every now and again I like to switch it up. We have the ghost, We have the cat. I think it looks really cute. You know, just something simple, just to zhuzh it up a little bit, add a touch of whimsy, a touch of the holidays without like being totally over the top. I hate to break it to you, but my favorite, most complimented pieces are from Alibaba. Can you really get designer-worthy furniture from Alibaba? Where do you think Restoration Hardware makes its furniture?
China. 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 China.
So, I mean, you're pretty much cutting out the middleman, so definitely source with Alibaba. To make this table, it was a custom piece. I just sent them an inspiration picture. I went over it with a little bit of joint compound to give it an old world look, but this was a custom piece for about $600. And then this chair, I sent them a picture of a Nordic design, which was $3,500 USD, and they made it for about $600. I paid about $800 in shipping, so you will save thousands using Alibaba because they make most of the furniture anyhow. Also get a lot of stone natural materials like travertine pieces as well. You're like me and you love spicy food. Grow some chilies. It's the most rewarding thing to plant these and then to add them to your food every day. Only thing is I'm doing an experiment. I'm gonna let the chilies stay on the stalks and get red. I never really do this. I always pick them when they're green. Let me know in the comments if you guys grow chilies and if you wait for them to get red, and if you let them get red, will they become even spicier? Okay, that's where I've been cutting on the tile. So let's talk about the bathroom. So my husband has to cut a hole in the center of the marble. Okay, so this is on the walls. It's the color Limewash by Sherwin-Williams. I picked out this floor, but it's a little dark. And the problem with this tile is every piece is different. You know, marble, everything is different. Some lean more gray. It's really, so Rosa marble, it's really gray with pink and beige veining.
Because I don't see them.
You're on the messages, don't worry. That's why you can read them from your phone, because you're included. If you weren't included, you wouldn't be able to read it from your iPad. But since it's on your iPad, that means you're included. You're in the group.
I mean, but I want to be, but I don't see my name though.
Go get your dad's phone, you'll be able to see your name.
Okay, where is it?
It's probably in the kitchen or something.
No, it's not.
Where?
Oh my gosh, Logan. Alright, so made a ton of progress. We did the whole back. Look, we're just going to continue. And this is kind of like where I'm at because this floor might be a little too dark. This might be a little too light, and that's what we're working with for the wall. And then I'm going to make a border with this other marble that I got from Creative Tile. So I'm still kind of mulling it over. We have a minute because I still got to complete this. It's like my husband, he'll let me cut some tile, but he won't let me put it on the wall. All right, guys, I'm going to end the video there, and I'll see you guys in a few, and we will continue with the bathroom. Let me know if you found any of these tips helpful. Sound off in the comments.